I'm Ani.
And I'm Boo.
And today on Boo's Pudding, we are making Mama's famous mac and cheese.
Yes.
Another request, and we are feeling it. So you know that picture that's gone completely viral has something like 1.7K, or I think it's like 1.9 today. People that liked it or did some type of comment. It's just gone crazy. And we've seen all your comments that say, release the recipe. Well, today is the day. Today's the day. So, if you like what we are about to make, please comment, like, and subscribe. And who's going to be in the kitchen behind this famous one?
It's our mommy.
It's our mommy. Back it up.
So we use 1 box of, or 16 ounces of macaroni and cheese. Macaroni, I'm sorry.
Elbow macaroni.
16 ounces of cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, and about 5 eggs, and 2 cans of carnation milk, or evaporated milk, and 1 stick of butter. And I always add the Ragu double cheese, a 16-ounce jar. You can, depends on how much macaroni you're cooking, whether you need a whole jar or not. You can figure that out. And I use white pepper in mine because it makes it look better. And
I use black.
We're having a debate.
You salt and pepper
there you
to
go.
taste as you're doing it. I said about 5 eggs. You beat them up. And now I'm waiting for my water to boil so I can add the macaroni. And then I'll get started with the sauce. I'll be boiling with the pepper jack cheese and all that different kind of cheese. You just need a jar of cheddar.
Smoked Gouda.
You don't need it. If it ain't broke, why you fixing it?
Yeah.
It's good.
I just mix it up every now and then.
Yeah, no, you can. I mean, I know people, you Google it, it's like 5 different cheeses. People have, because cheeses have different tastes. So if you don't like cheddar, but you want to use smoked Gouda, or you don't like this, you can always substitute. But the basics, this is like the basic
Macaroni
mac
and cheese,
yeah.
That's gonna go through your system, not clog you up.
Yeah.
You won't be sitting talking about
Let
Lord.
me see.
I think it's ready.
Alright, so I do taste my pasta because I like it al dente.
Mm-hmm. And I can just look at it and tell.
As Maya said.
Let me go strain this pasta. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going over here strain this pasta.
I trust you. I trust you. Al dente it is.
Mm-hmm.
You want to transfer it into that? Or?
Let's ask Mom.
That is really great. Yeah, you can try it.
We can put the.
Put it here. Yeah.
There you go.
So do you need to grease the pan, anything? No.
Do you grease your pan? She don't need to.
No, I
the
don't need to
cheese
grease
is the
it.
oil. Do you grease yours?
No, I'm just saying.
Oh,
for the
I was
viewers.
asking.
Oh no, I don't grease it.
Yeah, for the viewers, you're right. We don't do that. Is that good?
We don't do that.
Just keeping it simple.
That's gonna be enough.
That's enough, right? Because
We're
if we-
using because we're not using the big pan that we normally use.
yeah, the one we use for the holidays is huge.
I'm
This
giving
is
you a holiday recipe for guests,
yeah,
but today we're just
yeah.
making it for family. So
yeah. This is what we're gonna eat today.
yeah,
And normally, so this is about a half a box.
8 ounces. Yeah.
Yeah, half a box, 8 ounces of pasta. And then the more pasta you use, like if you put too much in there, it drains, like it sucks up all of the sauce.
Yeah.
So if you have like dry mac and cheese, that's why,
Yeah.
right?
To keep it loose as possible, this mixture and everything.
And that's how it fluffs up so good. It's gonna be so good. Yeah.
Oh, you left.
We're still taping. Blue just left. She came back.
Well, I had an issue with my nose.
Okay, handle your business.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
and
You
I
gotta
wash
be
my
clean in
hands.
the kitchen.
Yeah.
That's
That's
right.
Mhm.
Clean in the kitchen.
Oh, why my nose wasn't started running? And here we are.
And that's why, you know, you have to be clean. Because a lot of people are not clean. They let their cats in the kitchen. Do you see animals up in here? No, we don't do that. We make it.
Alright,
You
what's
eat
the
it.
next one?
Next thing.
Oh, okay.
I was just.
You're right.
You know how I feel about
No,
it.
you're right. No animals.
There's
in
no
the
place
kitchen.
for them sniffing around. If we did, we'd put them in the basement, but we don't have.
Okay. Peter's gonna call us. What are we?
Okay,
So
now
we adding the eggs.
I'm adding the eggs, the 5 eggs that we
Yeah.
beat up to the macaroni and cheese, stirring it up. The eggs first. And then I'm probably gonna use only
I have.
half of this because I'm making a small one. Don't need the full. That's about half.
See, that's why I get my measurements.
No, that's
right. She right. It's about half.
It is.
Nothing wrong with it.
Mm-mm. But it makes it so creamy.
That's good. And see, I'm a measuring person, so I'll be like, okay, I can do half though, but you know.
Yeah, that's about half, ain't it? Yeah.
You turn the oven on.
Could take a little bit more than half. I got you. Oven coming on. So the oven should be on at 350, no?
It's 350, yeah.
So how long does this cook once you have
You
everything?
cook it, you keep checking on it until it's golden brown and you take it out.
Okay. Like the picture.
Mm-hmm.
What you guys see. Alright. So watch closely because this is the tricky part.
It's already done.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm. Looks so good.
So I'm pouring in the cheese sauce and stirring it up. Trying to keep it as loose as possible so it can fluff up while it's cooking.
And that's one of the reasons why you really don't have your pasta done because it's gonna cook more into the sauce.
Yeah.
You need to do cheese.
I'm just gonna taste this. Gotta add a little bit of salt.
Mm-hmm. You doing the white pepper.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what fell over there.
It's just a bag.
Is it?
There's a bag of something that
Oh,
fell
I'm
out of
like,
the bread
what
box.
was it? Okay. Get it.
Fell behind the bread box.
And it says white pepper, but I swear it was looking black when it came out.
But you don't see it.
No, you don't. Once you.
Mix it up in
Yeah,
there.
you're
Yeah, but
right.
you get the taste of it.
Yeah, did you see it? It came out
pepper.
I know.
That's what she raised me on.
You didn't pay attention. I did do white pepper. You wasn't always in the kitchen.
I know, and the pepper.
I was in there enough.
And I knew about the white pepper from years and years ago. But not always, when it run out, I don't always buy it again. That's the thing.
I remember you taking the black pepper and sprinkling it on top of it.
Boo, save your memories, man, off the camera. Just save your
I
memories.
tell you, it's okay though, because I might have forgot.
You did. The way you think I got it, I just make this up.
I don't know.
No, you didn't make it.
I wasn't old enough. I'm not in this conversation.
Because I told you, I don't really need it, but I am going to add a little bit of the double cheddar to this. I'm kicking it up a notch.
Twist. That's why we get our twist from. How do we take it to the next level? All right.
Yeah, I used to sprinkle it on top of it and then put it in there. We let it go golden brown, but it was just that pepper on top of it. That sauce was amazing.
What's different from your from when you used to make it, like when you first started making it, till now that you do differently?
The sour cream.
Sour cream.
And also this cheese. The double regular.
The double cheddar.
You see how loose it is, and then when it fluffs up,
Very
that's why everybody thought it was like. Some people were like, "Was that a
Souffle.
cake? Was that a souffle?" I'm like, mac and cheese.
Just make it loose or come up good.
Okay.
I want you to taste it. Taste it too. See what I need to add. Do I need a little more salt, a little more pepper?
Okay. I don't do raw. I don't do.
Okay, great.
It's what I do. That's why I say you.
That's why I got 2 daughters.
I'm a little nervous when there's raw ingredients. I'm not gonna lie.
No, that's good. Salted. Salted.
Good?
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay. It tastes good like the one that she out.
You can remember
Yeah,
that?
actually, yeah. We just
Yeah,
had it.
We tasted it. Yeah.
All right, so this goes in the oven.
Yeah. I was gonna add a little more, but I don't think I need.
No.
A little more what? Pepper?
No, the cheese sauce, but I think it's
That's
loose
loose
enough.
enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, it's very. Yeah, I think it's loose enough, but it's about what you think, man.
And if you have it, you can always get a second opinion. I guess I get a third because it's mine, hers, and hers. All right. No more love.
All right,
And that is it for the mac and cheese.
that's it for the mac and cheese. All right, so we're
Hey.
back.
To the finished product of the macaroni and cheese. 3 cheers.
Yeah. It's 3 cheers. It's only because of the special guest that we have. So we're about to plate this. As you can see, you probably need
yes.
Can you see that? Can you zoom in and see the layers and all that?
Yummy.
And of course, we're gonna have this with whatever we want. Got so much. We've been cooking all day with chicken and dumplings, mac and cheese. You can just eat it plain. You don't really need nothing else to go with it. It's that good. You know, look, they make fun of me because I don't know how to serve small portions.
It's all good.
So Abu said, in case you didn't hear, she's like, why is mac and cheese so daggone big? Because that's how I do it.
And now for the taste.
Right. And notice we eat mac and cheese with the spoon.
And you can do it with a fork though.
Because it's that creamy. It's that.
It's really good. Really good.
I'm the one that got the spoons instead of the fork, but it's all good.
So good. It's so
That's
good.
what my mom was.
That's how we do. So
It was really good.
I know. I'm laughing so I didn't even
It's
taste
going to
it.
be even better tomorrow. So if you're making this for your holiday dish, you can do it a couple of days in advance. So the seasoning will all through it.
Yep. All right. So here's another episode of Boost Pudding. If you like it, please subscribe, like, comment, leave us different types of cheeses you put in your mac and cheese. Because we're always looking to see what else we can do. So I hope you enjoyed it. And Mama is out the kitchen.
All right.
Have a good one.